Hello, this is just a short video of what I'm going to be flying later on. We'll take a quick look at it. Seen a lot of reviews on this and I'm going to give you an honest review. I'm not going to hype it up. I don't expect people to send me free stuff. That's not what I do. I buy these with my own money. I test them. I like them, I keep them. Don't like them, I give them away. Or they make the trash barrel. But I like to fly budget drones, and I don't spend hundreds on a single drone. Most drones are just backyard flyers. Anyway, let's take a look at this because that's what I am. I'm a backyard flyer. I like to fly in my backyard. Might go field once in a while, especially with the kids. I got so many of these. Everybody can fly. Nice little case. Got that cloth. Just cool. The average case that you're gonna get. Again, on those under 60 bucks. Oh, look at this. Looks pretty nice. Came with, let's see, one battery. Looks like only one battery, my friends. I put this little cool looking thing here. This is what I'm going to be flying later on. It's going to be real short. Unboxing, you see them 1,000 times. You know, going to take your little paper off. LSRC. That's what the controller is. Okay. But nowhere on the box it says that, just to let you know. Okay, controller might be made by them. Doesn't mean the quad was, or the drone was made by them. See if there's any markings for LSRC. I see GSC, S1S, nice little drone. Little thing though, I'll tell you that, it's tiny. I mean, you can see it's tiny. Okay, tiny little drone. Look at the body, not the arms, guys. Let me put the arms back in so you can see how tiny this thing is. So don't think you're going to go out there and doing this fantastic aerial photography. See how tiny that thing is? It ain't going to take 15, 20 mile an hour winds up there. Or it's going to shake like crazy. So I've seen a lot of reviews saying this is a great little quad for aerial, but let me tell you, under 60 bucks, come on guys. Or gals. But it is cool looking. I mean, you know, if you guys like cool looking. Me, I'm going to see how good it flies. It's going to be agile. Going to fly like a boat. You know. It's just something that's going to sit in the corner. Anyway, let's throw the battery in. See the pretty lights. Let's put that baby down there. Show you guys see my coffee cup. Montezuma, I think it is. I'm not sure. I drink a lot of coffee. Anyway, let me see. Got it in. Let's see if she makes any noise. Huh? It's pretty cool. I'm sure she's got other lights. I know there's a red light in the back. Got your side white lights. Well, that's pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to be flying this later on. So if you're interested, subscribe. We're flying a lot more of these things. Want to spend the big dollars, go spend the big dollars. Want an honest review? Come see me. I'm not going to tell you they're the greatest thing in the world, just so they can sell more and more people get upset. I fly things that, you know, I think the average person in the backyard likes to fly. Or somebody that likes to go to the park. So, I want an honest review. Even if you sent me one free, I'm going to be honest. If I say it's crap, it's crap. But anyway, I'm going to be flying this. I've seen some reviews on it, and some of these reviews are bogus because it does not do what it says, I'm sure. But we're going to find out what this little bird does for flying. I do not do this aerial photograph, you know. Everybody wants to see everybody's roof. I could care less. Me, I want to fly it. If it can't fly, it can't take photos, excuse me, or videos. But anyway, subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. So thanks for watching anyway.